Hey guys, it's me Athar from Gossipfunda and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to fix select an account bug in Messenger. So let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is uninstall the Messenger app whichever you are getting error in. So click on uninstall and uninstall the app. After uninstalling, reinstall the app from Play Store and make sure to download the latest version or update the app if required. So go to Play Store and download the latest version of the Messenger app. Now try logging in your account and see if the problem is still occurring. If your problem is still not solved, then try these steps. Open your Chrome. Now search for APK Pure Messenger, this one. Now open the first link. Now scroll down and go to old versions. Now you can try any of these old versions. Now install them, log in your account and see if the error is still going or not. There might be a bug in the latest version, so that's why using an older version should fix your problem. If not, then go to your Messenger app, go to app information and clear all of the cache data. After this, try restarting your phone and log into your account again and try if your problem is solved or not. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this was helpful and solved your issue. Don't forget to check out our blog for latest technology update. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video if this was helpful.